Hello and welcome to this video where we'll explore 7 advantages of using guided learning in e-learning. But before that, what is guided learning? Guided learning is an innovative instructional design strategy that makes e-learning courses more engaging and interactive through the use of characters and avatars, taking personalization to a whole new level. These virtual guides, or avatars, act as personal tutors, providing real-time assistance to the learner. They make the learning journey more engaging by adding a human touch to the digital landscape. Avatars help simplify complex concepts through interactive simulations, visual aids, and personalized quizzes, making learning an immersive experience rather than a passive one. Avatars can also foster a sense of ownership in the learning process where learners choose customizable avatars that resonate with them. Avatars promote collaborative learning by enabling learners to engage with each other through their virtual counterparts, working on group projects, and solving problems together. Personalized feedback is a cornerstone of guided learning with avatars where they analyze the learner's progress, identify areas for improvement, and offer tailored feedback. Avatars can also take learners through gamified challenges, reinforcing key concepts in a memorable way.
As learners progress through the course, avatars celebrate their achievements with virtual rewards and recognitions that serve as powerful incentives, encouraging learners to strive for excellence. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy learning! If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.